What's going on, guys? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing a very simple method. You just need to drag and drop or just make some clicks, and there you boom, you have even made over up $200, $100, or whatever. It depends on what price do you want to charge from anybody. Okay guys, this is so much powerful, and even nowadays you do not literally need to give so much time. People are gone mad in this area. Okay guys, so now guys, without being delayed, let me show you what the method is. And if you are new to the channel and you are in the niche of making money online, business related niche and entrepreneurship related niche, then you should go below and hit the subscribe button, because you are gonna find daily videos on this channel. So guys, without being delayed, let's move over here. Okay, so guys, what's the process over here? Actually everyone is mad about the videos, especially the whiteboard animation videos. You have also seen there are some kinds of storytelling, like it's very much popular on the YouTube, kind of YouTube animated book stories. Even I also love to watch them, and I am also watching them every single day. Okay, because that really increases our knowledge, and even they are really good to see, means they increases the excitement and all that stuff. So that is why the reason being over here is this: their market has grown, their market has expanded very much badly. You cannot even think their market is growing like insanely. Even there are ads on the YouTube, some of them are animated ads, whiteboard animated. So what you need to do today, I'm going to tell you a free software, okay, with which you can just start making money, and you can even charge $200, $500, it depends on. And literally you are not going to give a lot of time to create those. It just takes 5 minutes to 10 minutes, because ads will not be more than 5 minutes, and people do not love to watch the videos over the 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So literally you do not need much time. So now guys, what's the method over here? The software which I'm going to tell you is this VideoScribe. Basically VideoScribe is a paid software, but the thing over here, it is having free trial. So what you can do over here, just come over here, go for the free trial, and don't just go for the free trial, although okay, you can see over here, I'll create a custom whiteboard animation, I'll create a whiteboard video animation, I'll create a custom high-end whiteboard video animation, and you can see all this stuff. Look at this, you are going to see over here. Okay, so all these guys are charging premium amount. Why? But now we are going to sell. Why this guy is just selling at a very low price? Because I really think that this guy is not selling all these things himself. Look at this. This is not a professional. Otherwise, he will not be charging $5. He's at $5. Then he is also only having 67 kind of rating. He's charging $50. He's having 207 rating. Means kind of all that stuff, whatever it is. What it is called, raters, number of raters. You can see most of the guys are charging $200, and literally let me tell you why these guys are charging $10 or $5. There are two reasons. First of all, they are not doing it themselves. They have just someone other who is doing it. They are paying him salary, and that's all guys. That's the first thing they are doing. And another thing over here, they are charging $10. That means they are just providing this service for they are creating the whiteboard animation for 1 minute, 2 minutes, and that is why guys, these guys are charging $5, $10. So if you are getting paid $1, $5 for 1 minute, what's bad guys in that? You are making about $300 every minute, every hour. It's up to you guys, because the order over here is number of very high number. Okay, but I'm not going to tell you to just come over here, you can sell. I have different method. Okay, you can literally create a gig over here, you may get orders. What's bad in that if you can create videos over here? But let's just see this guy. Okay, you can see this guy has given voiceover of 150 words, just 150 words. We can speak 150 words in a minute. So you can think this guy is making $25 just for that, and even just only 60 seconds animation with no voice. See, that is why this guy is charging $10. That's the reason guys. Okay, so literally if he's getting paid for 1 minute about $10. That's really great. What's bad in that? Okay, and literally you can see over here $35 for 150 words of speak. So basically these guys do not recording time 60 seconds. For everything it is recording time 60 seconds. Guys, that's insane. I think that you are now also thinking that's insane. Okay guys, So the thing over here is you can also sell over here because the price is not competitive. You can see this guy is charging for 1 minute $10. So you can literally charge about $100 $200 for creating kind of 5-minute service, 10-minute service. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna tell you the method what you can do over here. Just come on the let me show you on the YouTube. You can reach out to guys. There are some of the guys who are making videos. They have a well established channel. Okay, and what you can do, just go to the big channels like their 1% books. Go to them because they do not have time. Some of them do not have time. They are not uploading videos every single day. Even not, some are not even uploading every single week. Okay, so what you can do, tell them that you are going to create videos for them and you are going to charge over $100 and all that stuff. I don't know, there is some bullshitness in the internet. It really sucks sometime. I don't know why, but it really sucks. Okay, so basically you can also ask them, go and find the books channel over on the YouTube, go and find the books YouTube channel. For example, there is 1% better, I think it's the name of the channel. You can ask them that you are gonna to create a video for them and they will be paying you, ready to pay you, because they have big channel. They will be earning a lot more than that. That's really one thing. And second thing, you can create a gig over here, so you can do both of the things. From where you are gonna get the orders, just start doing it over there. That's it guys, this is a simple method and you can literally make a ton of money from this method. And if you are just doing one task every single day, then also you will be making over at least $200, because $200, I have shown you that it's the bare minimum. Okay, it's the bare minimum amount. Okay, it's the bare minimum amount. But how it's the bare minimum amount? Because the guy is charging about $60, it's about charging $10 for 1 minute. So if you are going to provide about 10-minute service, okay, then you can, and with voiceover you can literally charge $200. That's easy guys. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe our channel, and after you subscribe also comment what do you like in the video. And at last, thanks for watching.